How to create polls using bots on Discord mobile. So first things first, head over to your browser and then just go to top.gg and searching here for poll. So you should be able to see here some Discord bots that can help you create polls like advanced polls, Stickme, everyone both, idealistic, and a lot more. So I actually recommend to install Dino, but you can also choose one from the list right here. For example, for this, let's head over and invite this right here. Let's search in here for Dino. So let's search in here for them. And then once you have searched for that bot, just head over and click on them. Click on invite option. And then it will redirect you to your Discord. Now just head over and then just choose a server that you want to add it with. And then from there scroll down and click on continue and then authorize it. And then just verify if you're human. And then once you have done that, it will be added to your server and then you can enlist their help in order to actually add some bots. Let's head over right here to this homepage and we have in here our general. Now let's talk to Dino and then you can put in here Paul and then click on Paul create and then just create your Paul right here using this command prompts. So that's how you create polls using bots on Discord mobile. Hope you help.